Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And today we are starting the first in a Learn to Knit for Lefties series, okay? So we're going to start with a cast on because you can't do any knitting if you don't cast on, okay? So this is our tail and we're going to do a long tail. So this is a version of a long tail cast on. It is a nice, easy cast on. It works pretty well for pretty much everything. Now we're going to make a slip knot. When you're making a slip knot, I tell people, make a pretzel, right? If you make a pretzel, it'll work just fine. And then you're going to take your needle, you're going to go through that left side of your pretzel, tighten it onto your needle. Okay, that's how you make your slip knot. This is stitch number 1 of your cast on, okay? So then you're going to take this is your working yarn here over your index because it comes from your skein. That's why it's called a working yarn. And this is your tail because it is the tail that is left over from your yarn. And you're going to put the working yarn over your index and the tail over your thumb. And you're just going to hold them with the rest of your fingers, okay? Now, you're going to go under this front loop of your thumb, over this loop here on your index, pull it back through, pull your thumb out, and you're going to tighten it. And when you tighten it, you've got your thumb ready to go for the next one. You ready? We'll do it again. Under the front loop, over this index loop, pull it through, pull your thumb out, and tighten it with your thumb as you get ready for the next one. And we'll do this one more time. Under the thumb, over the index, through the thumb out, pull tight, okay? And that's how you're gonna do a simple long tail cast on. I hope this was helpful for you. Stay tuned for how to knit next. And if this was helpful for you, please share, like, subscribe with people that you think this would be helpful for. Happy knitting!